Want to style your hair without heat? There are many ways to achieve a styled look without exposing your tresses to heat tools that could potentially cause damage. Try the robe curl method for bouncy curls. Simply part your damp hair into two sections, detangle it thoroughly, and drape the tie from a bathrobe over your head like a headband. Wrap strands of hair around the robe tie gradually from the front down, making sure to complete a full wrap around the tie before picking up the next section of your hair. When all your hair has been wrapped, pin the remaining part of the robe tie in place, or tie it in a bow and let your hair dry. Once dry, unravel your hair and enjoy beautifully bouncy curls. For soft waves, braid your hair into two French braids and leave them in overnight. Carefully unravel the braids when you wake up to reveal beachy waves, spritzing with hairspray and gently scrunching any looser pieces to help set your style. For a more crimped look, braid sections of your hair into traditional braids. The more sections you make, the tighter the resulting waves will be when you take out the braids. Don't forget that heatless updos are a great way to style your hair too, so try out a messy bun, bubble ponytail, or claw clip style for a cute look and instant good hair day. Experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for your hair length and texture. No heat, no problem.